So I'm sure you guys have heard about this product. It has been all around the internet and so I want to break this down and talk to you guys about everything that I know about Curology. So Hola Choc Squad, it's your girl Choc the Glam, and I want to thank y'all so much for stopping by. Today's video is an unboxing and a first impressions of Curology. So before we get started, I need y'all to do me a huge favor. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below if you haven't already. And be sure to share this video because sharing is caring. So I got this package here and I want to share it with you guys. So Curology has been all around the internet and it has been the talk of YouTube, the talk of Instagram, Facebook. Everybody and anybody who wants to know about something new in the skincare industry has been trying to figure out what the heck is going on with Curology, including myself. So what is Curology? It's like the virtual dermatologist. It's super swanky. The app is beautiful, and not only that, it's efficient. So now you don't have to get in your car, drive over to the dermatologist, sit there and wait and go through all of the hoopla of having an appointment. You literally can do it from your phone. All you have to do is take a quiz, which is like a few short questions, upload a few selfies, and then you'll have a consultation with a dermatologist, and they'll ask you a few things, and then they'll prescribe you the 3 products that will help to improve your skin. I found out about Curology through my sister. My skin started getting really wonky, and I have had pretty great skin for quite some time, but my skin started to go through some changes as I got older due to medications and hormonal imbalances as a woman. Just tomfoolery, okay? And I got tired of it because when I would get breakouts, when I would get them, I would get those dark marks on my face, and they were very hard for me to get rid of. So my sister was like, try Curology. I've used it, it's great, you know? And I'm like, Curology? And she was like, Curology. So of course I did my research, and boom. So now let's see what's in this box. I have been super excited about this box and what's in it because I am ready to transfer my skin to the next level. This is the card on the front, and this is the card on the back. And the front of the card says, love your skin every day. Welcome, dear Curology member, to your new routine. It's here for you morning and night, and it's made with love by our dermatologist. Number 1, start with our gentle cleanser to remove dirt. Number 2, the custom formula. Next up, your custom formula mixed just for you because your skin isn't like anyone else's. Number 3, moisturizer. Finish with our moisturizer to keep hydration on lockdown. I like it. And the back just says Curology, and it says come hang with us at Curology. But I'm gonna definitely add them and let them know that I'm using their product. So this is the packet. And this part says your skin goals achieved. Then it has a cute little C. And then there's like one of those codes. I think it's called a QR code. Ooh, child, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to, remember what it's called. Okay, so we're gonna open up the package. Let's see what we have inside, guys. Oh, emergency spot patch. The next product we have is the Rich Moisturizer. So then we have our face cream, and then last but not least, we have the cleanser. I know y'all are wondering, like, why are the bottles so small? Well, the reason why they're so small is because on your first order, they provide you with a trial size. What is my custom formula? So my custom formula is including the following: clindamycin, tretinoin, and azelaic acid. I hope I pronounced that right because that is a mouthful, okay? And that is to be applied to my face nightly. What I plan to resolve by using Curology is getting rid of these doggone dark spots, keeping my skin acne free, controlling the oil, and improving the texture. How much did it cost? Well, this particular order cost me $5. Yes, that's right, $5, okay? So shipping took about 3 to 5 business days, but it was really quick. How was the customer service? Customer service was great. I literally was able to use the app and ask any questions, and I was able to reach someone fairly quickly. So customer service was A1. I've seen Curology literally all around the internet and so it is all up in these Instagram streets, Facebook streets, Twitter streets, everywhere there could be, especially right here on YouTube, okay? So with that being said, I've seen it, I've heard great things about it, so I had no choice but to try it. They're also on the website is very informative. So when you go on the website, they're also going to tell you things that you should stop doing immediately in terms of your skin to improve it before your product even arrives. They even have diet tips, so things you should and shouldn't eat. There's a plethora of articles, and they're easy and quick reads. And then there's so much more for you to click around and to browse on the website. I loved it. It was a lot of fun for me to check out. It was pretty bomb. I can't say enough about it. I love the website. This is my first impressions unboxing video, and we're already at the end. Oh my God. So with that being said, I want to thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. But before y'all go, can y'all do me a huge favor and thumbs up? Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and share this video because sharing is caring. Alrighty, and if you're interested in videos like these, I plan on doing a series because I want to keep you all abreast of my progress of how things are going to go with Curology, because I want to keep it real with y'all. If I'm spending my money on it, I don't want y'all to waste $1. So I'm not going to recommend something to you that isn't good. At this time, I am not sponsored or affiliated with Curology. I'm a paying customer just like everyone else. But here's the thing. If you guys like comment to them or share this video to them and let them know like that I should be like endorsing what they have going on, then it'll be different. It'll be a different story then. So shout your girl out if you guys think that I should be repping the Curology brand, because I feel like I have what it takes. And y'all believe in me, and I wouldn't have gotten half of the opportunities that I've received without y'all. So yes. But again, I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in. I love y'all so much, and I cannot wait to see y'all on the other side. Bye.